Hi guys, it's Charles Norman here with you from PrestonQ Sports Solutions, and if you're watching this video, it means you probably purchased the Lightning Stick from me, and I want to talk to you about another product that I think is really great, and this is unusual. It's not a physical product, it's actually an online training program, but the reason I'm bringing it to you is that first, it's a phenomenal program, but secondly, it fits really great with the Lightning Stick and the idea behind the Lightning Stick. Now, if you guys have been following me at all, you know what's important to me is that I always try to find something in every sport that every kid can do that gives them an opportunity to play. And for baseball, it's hitting. To me, if you can hit, baseball and softball, if you can hit, you get a chance to play. So that means you don't have to be the most athletic kid. You don't have to be the kid that just gets it and you're really a great ball player just right off the bat. You get time. If you can hit, you'll get time to develop. And if you can hit, you get more training, because once you can hit, you get pushed to different types of teams, and people will work with you a little bit more. The people that are more dynamic, the better coaches. Everything changes when you can do something in a sport. In basketball, it's shooting. If you can shoot, you don't have to be the greatest athlete. They just have to get you a shot because you're consistent. So we're trying to develop consistent, confident hitters, and that's the real big thing here. So anyway, this program comes from a guy named Mark Brooks, and he owns a company called The Art of Baseball. And he does a lot of different things. He does private training and things like that. But he's developed his online training program, and I've never ever endorsed anything like this online type training. But it's something that's coming around right now. But why am I so excited about this versus all the other online training? Well, there's a couple of reasons. Mark is only 28 years old, so he just came out of school a few years ago. He played Division I baseball, but his story to get there is part of one of the reasons I do this. He didn't have that linear path to getting to Division I. He changed high schools, and he went to a JC first, and he just had this weird way of getting to where he needed to get it, but he got there. And so I think his story is pretty compelling. And in fact, I'm going to put down, he has an audio file that kind of explains his journey. I'm going to put that as a link down below. Go ahead and take a listen to that. I'm also going to create a sales page, because I don't like to make these videos too long. So I'm going to create a sales page. You can go in and read a little bit more about it if you want to. And then I'll put another link that takes you straight to his page so that you can go ahead and sign up. But anyway, so the other things that are in here, he has a section in here of just for parents. It's called the Baseball Parent Survival Guide. It is great. I don't know that much about baseball, but if I had my kids playing, if I had younger kids and they were going to play, I would love this section. It tells you how to talk baseball lingo and what you're saying. It gives you some ideas on if your kid doesn't want to practice, and they're sort of tuning you out because you've been critical, and how to do it. It's really a great section. I absolutely love it. This is the kind of stuff that I wish more people would do. And then he has the training. He has drills in there. He talks about weightlifting. He gives you your workout schedule so that they make sense. He doesn't like people wasting time, right? So you don't need to spend hours a day practicing and going, because that wears kids out anyway. If you think about it, kids have games, they have practice. You probably got them going to training. They do some batting cage stuff. It just gets old. I don't care who it is. They want to go play and have fun. So he really talks about how to compress their practice times. He doesn't promote the idea that you need to practice over and over for a long period of time. Baseball is a technical sport, so you're going to have to spend a lot of time practicing or you shouldn't even play. Same thing with softball. It's a technical sport. But he just really has some great tips for the kids. And so he has an audio section in here that I just think is phenomenal, because you can download each of the audio files, and you can download the videos too. But the audio files talk directly to the kid. And he talks about things like fear. Your kids have anxieties when they're going out there to play. All their peers are looking. Kids can be cruel in sports. That's why I love sports so much, is because it is a growth thing. It's all about life. You got to learn to overcome these things and brush things off and be secure with who you are. And it's in one place. I always tell you guys, it's in one place where as a parent, you can't do anything for them when they're on the field or they're on the court or wherever they're playing. You can't do a thing. You sit there and your heart's in your throat, because you don't want anything bad to happen to your kid, but they got to handle it. And that's why I think sports is so important. So he has a great set of audio files. He talks about fear. He talks about failure. Baseball is a failure sport. The best players in the world, 3 out of 10 times, they're going to fail at the plate. So he talks about that. He talks about a variety of other things, about motivating yourself, about doing the work that you need to do. He talks about playing smart and not so much using your physical talents, but use your head. I mean, it's just a great little section there. And then I told you about the section for parents. And then he has another section there where he talks to Major League. So this program is for the beginner that doesn't know what they're doing, to the high school player that's probably going to be either drafted, have to make the choice between being drafted to pro baseball or going to college. They have to make that choice. He has an interview with a baseball scout that lays this stuff out, I mean, to the T, so you will be able to make those decisions smartly. So that's in there. Then he has a section on nutrition. I've never even seen that on there. He has this cookbook he's putting together, and he talks about nutrition before and after the game and things you need to do to fuel yourself properly. So all of this stuff is entwined. He's given me a great offer here. He's going to give you $1. You pay $1 and you get like a 3-day trial, so you can go check it out. I've been in this program for 2 months now, and I never recommend anything either I haven't used, I haven't seen used personally, and I know works, or that I haven't tried out. And so I went into this program for a couple of months to see. You can do the $1 trial, and then it's $7.95 a month. I've been in a couple of months, and I've learned more about baseball. You know, and I know there's other programs that are available out there that are just as good, but I really want you to take a look at it. I'm highly recommending this program. The kid's only 28. I was a little wary. I go, how much can he possibly be willing to tell? But what he's done is, because if you look at a lot of these programs, they're guys that have been coaching for 20, 30 years, or they've been pros, and now they're ex-pros, or whatever that is. This kid's sort of looking at it the way a younger person would look at things, and I think that's important now, that he's bringing a different type of voice, and the kids will listen to him, I promise you. So go take a look at it. I'm going to put 3 links down below, one to an audio file that he had on his site that I called him and got approval for, because I want you to hear his story. Another one I'm going to do a sales page, because I've been practicing on how to make these sales pages, the online sales page. So I'll send you there, and this video will be there, so you don't have to listen to it again, but I wrote some other stuff there. And then I'm going to give you a link directly to his sales page so you can sign up. And if you just want to go straight there, if you trust what I'm telling you, just go straight there and sign up. It's only $1, and you can get in right away, and you can see if it's really for you. All right, guys, that's it. I didn't want to make this too long. I'm actually out at the park where I do my morning run, so I'm going to go take care of that now. I just want to get this out to you guys. As always, best of luck to you. Best of luck to you, young athlete, and let's keep them in the game. Talk to you guys later. Bye.